What's happening, everyone? Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Studios here to provide a free interaction system component for all who desire it. Um, like I said, free. I don't expect any, thanks, any recommendation, recognition. I don't need to be attached to your projects or your successful games, whatever. I just want to make things slightly easier. Most of the interaction components that we see out in the world involve overlap events, which they work, they're good, they're just expensive in comparison to line traces or even sphere traces. So I went ahead and got this set up for everyone to happen to utilize. It works for first person, third person, top down, and 2.5 view. So you can, utilize it in many, many different ways. So I'm going to go ahead and show it off to you real quick, and then I will quickly help you understand how it works so that you can download and use it yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and hit play here. When I mouse over it, as you can see, it highlights. And this one says press E to destroy the cube. This one says press E to lift the cube. If I press E, it lifts it. If I let go, it puts it back down. Now, for this one, if I press E, it's dead. It's gone. Now, this is just a common enumeration. If I go into the test objects here, I created an enumeration and a switch so it does things differently. It's not part of the interaction system. I just wanted to help people a little bit more on how that kind of thing works. So the next thing is this works with zooming in and zooming out. So here I am zooming in, and once I'm fully in, still works. And when I zoom out, it continues to work. And for that, you can choose how that all works on your own. And essentially here, if I come here to interaction system, here's the interaction component. Come in here, you have both the sphere and the line trace. Nothing fancy, all really useful. And this is how we get it all set up. This way, if, say, your key, you decide your interaction is going to be T, it will automatically change the key to T, so you don't have to worry about it. And then if we come here to the interactable object again, you're going to want to make sure, for those who are unaware, that you add the interaction interface. So you'll want to go to class settings of whatever you want to be interactable. Click on add and find BPI interaction. So here, these two events come from, as you can see right here, from an interface. There's also a, instead of an event, there's an actual function. If I go in here to interfaces, this grayed out means that it's a function. So this is what makes it highlight. And then this right here is what you get to choose what the action is and what it's called. Again, very primitive way of doing it, but that's how I do it. Click on here. You have destroy cube kill and lift cube lift. And that's just how I set it up. The highlighting happens through a post-process effect. And if you want to learn more and understand how this whole system works, I do have a 5-video tutorial that goes over the whole system and helps you build it step by step so that you can figure out how something works if there's something you're trying to figure out how to do. Or you can join my Discord and ask me there directly, and I can quickly get you where you need to go. Either way works for me. I live to help, and yeah, that is my system. So again, free for all. Just download down below, and you can utilize this interaction system however you like. And something else just dawned on me, because there may be people who don't know what actor components are. They're essentially just storage containers that hold hold code, hold blueprints. So in this project, if we go to the third person character, let me open this up, and I have right here AC interaction component. So you would just come here to add interaction component, and you would just add it to your system. And then add it to your character. Once you do, then you can come over here and you can mess with the range of interaction, gameplay type. So for in third person, top down 2.5. The start Z location is for the top down. And then you have, okay, fine. And then you have the type of trace, so sphere trace and line trace, and the interaction radius is for the sphere trace. All right. Thank you guys for your time, and I hope you enjoy this interaction system. And if you have any requests, comments, or you would like to know more about my future projects that will be released for free to you guys, please comment down below or join my Discord and ask me there. Have a good one. Bye.